Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today is a snow day and it is a comfy, casual, kind of jammy day. But today is also a Dia and Company day. So this is my next unboxing. Previously on my profile, I had put that I could only wear items like black and white, dress items. So I changed up my profile a little bit and said that I could also wear, I wanted classic, classy items for work. So that involved other colors. So this is what they came up with. And I'm a little shook. So upon opening, of course, you do get your bag that you can return with. And then you get a little note from a stylist, although it doesn't tell me who my stylist is. So I'm not really sure about that. And then it also gives you an invoice of what your items are and how much they cost. So let's go through them one by one. So the first thing I got was a t-shirt. This is a heavier made, thicker t-shirt. It's like a camo green color with some taupe in it. And I don't think I would wear this to work, but because it doesn't scream business executive to me at all. So that is one thing. It looks like it will probably fit, but I'm not real thrilled with it. On the invoice, this guy retails for $42. I would pay $42 possibly for a t-shirt, but probably not that one. All right, so, and then the next thing I got was this is like a cardigan, and this is also made out of t-shirt material, so I'm not real sure what the whole t-shirt thing going on is, but on the front, it's got some pleats, which is kind of cute. It's lightweight, although it's heavier than t-shirt material, and it's gray. This one retails for $59. And again, I don't think I would pay $59 for that if I just like bought that outright. Okay, so the next item I have is, it's a dress, and it is black and white, and the print that's on it is a little bit raised where the white is, which is really cute. This is like a sheath, although I'd probably wear it as a tunic with a belt and some leggings and some boots. Not so much, I don't think, as a dress, but very cute. Now, this retails for, $69. $69. Now that, for a dress, I would pay $69. All right, then the next thing I have is a black pair of pants, and I can always use black pairs of pants. This is from Prescott, New York. It does have a really nice waistband in it that's kind of stretchy as well, and I like that. And it still has the button on the front with the zipper, and it's got pockets on the back, and it's ankle length, straight, and I do like that. They're very sturdy material. The ankle pant is $69, and I really like that as well. Okay, then the next and final thing that I received was a pendant. This pendant retails for $29, and I really kind of like this. The tag here is kind of messing me up a little bit, but it is a pendant necklace that probably would go like down to here. I would probably raise it up and use it like kind of as a choker kind of thing. And that, like I said, retails for $29. So that, all in all, if I kept everything. You get the 25% off, and minus, of course, the styling fee, which is $20. The 25% off when you buy everything would be a negative $67, and for a total of this order would be $181. So the $181 I don't think is bad, but again, for the pleated cardigan and the t-shirt, one was $59, one was $42, and that's kind of iffy. I don't know that I would really use those two, not for business anyway. So there you have it. Those are my thoughts and what I received, and I will see you on the next one. As always, God bless and Happy New Year.